In MCQ 30, we take a look at the functions of the amniotic fluid and how it can help to provide an optimum environment for fetal development. Now, number 1 is definitely going to be correct here because number 1, we need to take note that the fetus have yet to develop homeostatic ability. And with that, is unable to maintain a constant internal environment, which would have been very critical in providing developmental enzymes with an optimum temperature for its activity. And this also comes with the fact that water, which is the majority of the amniotic fluid, has a very high specific heat capacity. So in order for water to increase or decrease by a degree Celsius, the amount of heat that has to be taken in or lost is going to be a large amount. Now, on number 2 itself, it definitely also protects the fetus from mechanical shock. This once again comes from the fact that water is considered to be incompressible. And because of that, it helps to disperse a mechanical shock should the expectant mother were to accidentally hit onto objects. Now, 3 and 4 on the other hand is not going to be applicable here because the nutrients for number 3 is actually supplied to the fetal via the umbilical cord. And to be more accurate, is actually the umbilical vein that it will be supplying nutrients towards the fetus, such as glucose as well as oxygen for aerobic respiration. Now, for the case of carbon dioxide, this is considered to be the waste. It's also removed by the umbilical cord. But instead of the umbilical vein, it is removed by the 2 umbilical arteries. So doing a quick cross section over here, should this be that of maternal and this be that of fetal? Going from maternal to fetal, this will be going through the umbilical vein. But for the act of fetal to maternal, and this is through the removal of waste itself, it will actually be going through the umbilical artery. That has a much smaller lumen because there's a much higher pressure that needs to be withstood. So the correct answer for this question over here will actually be A.